Well, when you say that lean transformation should be bottom up, right? But I believe that there's a simultaneous move with that, which is it has to have some motion coming from top down, right? And like in your book, The Lean CFO, you talk a lot about the role that the CFO plays in that. You call him or her the architect of the lean management system, right? Or the lean accounting management system, right? How critical, like in the companies you're accompanying, how critical is the role of the CFO in lean transformation? And what differ a lean CFO from a traditional CFO? What is the main differences?
CFO involvement in the lean transformation is essential, just like the CEO or the president or any other executive. And the executives must adopt lean as the strategy, not something else we do in addition to everything else. It has to be the strategy. So there has to be consensus there on the strategy. So that's the top-down piece. This is our strategy, and it's not going to change. The bottom up is from where people understand problems and issues and resolve problems, but from the top down, you have to provide the training and the support and also remove the obstacles that the people say need to be removed. I would say a lean CFO understands lean from a strategic standpoint, has a good understanding of what is going to happen operationally. You don't have to be an expert in conducting a Kaizen event or whatever, but you have to know what's going to happen. And then the lean CFO needs to lead the transition of the management accounting system from a traditional management accounting system to a lean management accounting system. If you think about it, the internal users of the information are the customers. And the customers now need new, different information so it's relevant and reliable for their use. And the CFO or whoever the senior finance person is needs to lead that and support all the changes that need to be made. I've seen over the years some financial leaders don't really support it. They support it to a point, but then they might say, no, we can't do that. Well, you have to do it. That's the whole point. And that's really the main difference between a lean CFO and a traditional CFO.